In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Excalidraw to Claude in just a few simple steps. Click your profile picture in the bottom left corner to open the account menu. Select Settings from the menu, and a Settings dialog opens in the center of your screen. Click on the Connectors tab on the left side to see your available connectors panel. Click the Add button at the top right and a drop-down menu appears. Select Browse Connectors from that menu to open the directory dialog showing all available connectors. Click into the search box and type Excali to filter the list. Click on the Excalidraw result to open its details page with information about the connector. Click the Connect button at the bottom of the Details panel to begin the connection process. An authorization prompt appears. Click Connect again to allow Claude access to your Excalidraw account. Excalidraw now shows as connected in your connectors list, and you're ready to use it. Once connected, you can ask Claude to create any diagram by describing what you need in plain English. Flowcharts, wireframes, system diagrams, mind maps, and it'll generate the drawing directly in Excalidraw. If you want to disconnect later, come back to this Connectors panel, find Excalidraw in the list, and click the three dots beside it to remove it. The connector gives you a quick way to turn ideas into visual diagrams without switching apps. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.